Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Our big temperature swings will continue. We've had so many fronts this season right ahead of it. You get nice and warm, and then behind it, which is where we're at today, we get nice and cool. And in fact, the northwest wind that had us in the 50s on Tuesday morning will be back on Wednesday. So we're looking very nice, very cool in the morning, sunny afternoon, and then warming up for Thursday. See the wind, complete switch of direction here. So instead of north with cool air, it's south with warm air, and we're talking humidity coming up as well, coming up for a Saturday. Next big weather change will be our next cold front. That is already in the northern Gulf by Sunday with a few showers and thunderstorms. You can see that there, but it won't get to us for the weekend. The weekend stays dry, but the front does arrive late Monday. Right now, that looks to be the time frame. This is way far out, so the timing could change, not by a day, but certainly by a few hours, perhaps more in the afternoon or more in the evening. We'll have to see how fast it moves, but there's a general trend coming in with that line of rainfall for Monday. We could use the rainfall badly. In fact, we're 3 inches below normal in many areas now for the year. The only place that is not in a drought is the Keys, where you've had actually a surplus for 2025, over an inch. Rip currents moderate for tomorrow. The winds have subsided, but we're still looking at that threat. And then the small craft advisory, that's going to be in effect early in the morning for the Atlantic waters, dropping that by the afternoon with winds just at 5 knots. But the seas will begin to come down, and that will be a good thing. No alerts for the Florida Keys as we check in on conditions for tomorrow morning. This is the way we'll wake up with temperatures back into the mid and upper 50s. There could be a few isolated low 50s. I think the best chance to see that is if the wind goes completely calm in a certain location, and then you really start cooling off by several degrees, and that's how you get that temperature difference there. And of course, a little bit milder, closer to the warmer water. Low to mid 50s for southern Miami-Dade, and then everybody in the 60s here across the Florida Keys. We're looking good there. A nice jump in the afternoon. Again, a couple degrees warmer tomorrow, so 80 by say 2, 3 o'clock, and then that will not fall as quickly as far as the temperatures. So 60s by 9 a.m. and then we'll push 80 degrees by the middle part of the day into the early afternoon. Next weather 7-day forecast, you'll see the rain chances. Not much coming up the next few days. Just a 10% slight chance of a shower on Friday, but the bigger rain, hopefully for us, comes on St. Patrick's Day.